it's Mary here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to tackle regarding most frequently asked questions about UAE visas, renewals, Emirates ID, and residents who are outside the country, etc. Disclaimer guys, before I'm going to start, I just wanted to say that I'm not an eligible person when it comes to this. I'm not connected to any agencies. Actually, I just came across with this article from 171 TAWASUL, which is a centralized portal for observation, suggestions, and inquiries. And I thought to myself that it would be best to share with you guys these informations, especially to those who are or who were under tourist visas, those who just lose their job recently, and even to those who resigned like after March 1. And I know that most of you guys wanted some clarifications regarding the status of your visas, regarding your Emirates ID, and all these things. So don't worry guys, I'm going to share with you later sa description yung link kung saan ko siya na basa. 171 TAWASUL entities includes Emirates Authority for Standardization and Metrology, National Media Council, General Authority for Sports, UAE Ministry of Energy and Industry. So this is a reliable source wherein you can check later once I'm done with the video. Okay guys, so now we're going to start with the most frequently asked questions and its answers.
So as you can see on your screen, there's the logo of the United Arab Emirates and the 171 TAWASUL, and it says frequently asked questions. Number 1, how can I currently renew my expired tourist or visit visa? What is the legal status of individuals with expired visas in the UAE? Well, I have to pay fines on expired visas. So tinatanong niya kung sa kasalukuyan nag-expire na yung tourist or visit visa niya, paano niya ba maire-renew? Ano ba ang kanyang kalagayan or legal status niya? At magkano ba ang fines niya kung expired na ang visa niya? Or magbabayad ba siya ng fines? So, ang sabi dito, all visit visas are extended until December 31, 2020. And there are no fines for any of the categories. With a need for the holders of visit visas of all kinds to coordinate with the embassy of their countries to facilitate their departure. So, ang ibig sabihin, whether it's tourist or visit visa, extended na siya automatically sa system until December 31, 2020. Unless makapag-decide ang isang individual na uuwi na lang siya sa Pilipinas. So, that's the time na makipag-coordinate siya sa Philippine Embassy para sila na ang mag-facilitate ng kanilang departure. Okay, now, kung itatanong nyo kung free ba ang ticket pa uwi, to make sure, i-contact nyo na lang ang Philippine Embassy with this number 02-639-006. So, again, all visit visas and tourist visas are extended until December 31 automatically in the system, and there will be no fine for the expired visas. Question number 2. How do I renew my residence permit if it expired after 1st of March 2020? Are there any fines imposed on expired residence permits? So, number 2 question is, sa tingin ko, this is applicable to those who are employed. Kasi, diba, when our Emirates ID expires, mag-worry tayo kasi if in case there is checking or like hindi nabansin ng company na nag-expire na yung Emirates ID nyo. So anyway, so if your Emirates ID expired on the 1st of March, I don't think you have to worry because as what it says here, residence permit has been extended to all holders and there is no need for renewal in effect until the end of 2020 with exemption from delay penalties. So ibig sabihin, lahat ng residence permit na expired na will be extended automatically until the end of the year, which is on December 31, 2020. Same with the question number 1. So wala ding pinapataw na penalty para sa mga nag-expired na residence permit. And additional lang guys, how about for those who resigned like last week of February or like nung March 1 wala na silang trabaho. This is not from this site, pero I've learned from a friend na nowadays daw binabawalan yung mga company na mag-cancel ng visa. If it's true, so there's no need to worry kasi extended naman siya lahat eh. So just wanted to share na meron din akong kakilala na nag-resign na siya pero hindi pa na-cancel yung visa niya. Pero mag-expire yung visa niya sa June pa. Pero nung chinek na niya online, since hindi pa rin siya nakaka-cancel pero hindi na siya nagtatrabaho, nakita niya doon na na-extend na yung visa niya until December 31, 2020. So, ibig sabihin, lahat talaga ng mga expired na residence permit ay automatically na-renew na siya. By the way, doon sa nabasa ko pala na article, as per the law, of course, kailangan mong mag-exit talaga once natapos na yung grace period mo kung canceled na yung visa mo. Pero dahil nga sa pandemic ngayon, they're giving exemptions para sa mga nag-expired na residence permit or like yung mga canceled. So, to be safe, you better ask na lang din sa TAWASUL kasi sila yung in charge sila yung naatasan para sa mga ganyang concerns. Number 3, is Emirates ID renewal currently suspended for expired ID cards? Are there any fines in case of not renewing? Well, question number 3 is similar to question number 2 because basically if you have a residence permit, then you will be having Emirates ID as well. And it says here that Emirates ID has been extended to all holders and there is no need for renewal, in effect until the end of 2020 with exemption from delay penalties. Meaning, suspended yung pag-renew ng Emirates ID kasi lahat na extended until the end of this year. And walang penalty. Number 4, how much does the coronavirus test? Magkano nga ba ang bayad pag nagpa-test tayo ng coronavirus? Ang sabi dito, customer can conduct coronavirus test at the centers that were declared for a fee. So, ibig sabihin mayroong bayad, except for elderly, pregnant women, people with chronic diseases, and people of determination. So, wala siyang bayad sa mga may edad na. Elderly siguro 50 above. Pregnant women, yung mga buntis, at saka yung may mga sakit, and people of determination. So, alam naman natin kung sino ang mga may, yun kasi ang tawag nila dito sa, yung mga bata na merong kapansanan. So, yun. They are considered people of determination. So, based on my experience, pero sa pagkakalam ko, sa nabasa ko na article, 370 yung bayad. So, based on my experience, two of my flatmates kasi ay naging positive. So, what we did, since pag sa online ka kasi, depende sa kung sinong makasagot sa tawag mo. Pero, pag wala kang symptoms, talagang magbabayad ka. So, ipapadownload ka nila ng app, tapos after mong magbayad through card, syempre, tsaka kanila bibigyan ng appointment. So, medyo hassle siya at mahirap din kasi alam naman natin na most of us ay walang income, diba? So, paano pa tayo magbabayad? At sayang din siya. So, sa pagkain na lang natin yun ibibigay. Ibibili na lang natin siya ng pagkain instead na i-test, diba? Pero, nowadays naman kasi nagbibigay na sila ng mga schedules wherein mostly ng mga screening ay libre na talaga. So, ina-announce nila, let's say, may free screening dito sa sa Musafa just recently, tapos the previous weeks, 'di ba, meron sa Marina Mall. So ayun, marami na silang kinakandak na mga free testing. And like what I've said, based on my experience then, dahil nga 'di ba, pagtatawag ka through hotline which is 800-1717, hindi ka bibigyan ng appointment. Tapos what if meron ka ng na-encounter na positive pala. So suggestion lang, you can go to any direct hospitals or like mga medical centers. Tapos sasabihin mo lang yung case mo doon, sasabihin mo na you have direct encounter with a positive person. So ayun, ang hinahanap lang naman sa amin before is Emirates ID lang. Tapos libre na siya. Kasi pag sa app ka kasi, I mean, before kasi hindi ka binibigyan ng appointment. Tapos meron din akong ilalagay na link which is kung meron kayong nararamdaman na symptoms or something, pwede kayong mag-taxi. Tapos i-fill up nyo lang yung questionnaire bago kayo pumunta doon. So, additional for question number 4, sa tingin ko nowadays, marami na siyang libre. So, you don't have to worry about it. Yun nga, sabi ko nga, pumunta na lang kayo sa direct na hospital or medical centers. Number 5. So, number 5, I don't think this is applicable for everyone, pero basahin na lang din natin. How can I renew my vehicle registration card? Do I need to get my vehicle inspected? Okay. Customer can renew vehicle registration card through Ministry of Interior Smart Channels without the need to conduct a technical examination and pay violations, with the need to obtain valid vehicle insurance. So, ang sabi dito, customer, hindi na nila kailangang mag-conduct ng technical examination at magbayad. Basta, kailangan lang nila na meron silang valid vehicle insurance. So, sa mga may sasakyan, alam na nila yung gagawin nila. Number 6. How can I renew my driving license? Do I need to conduct an eye test? Customer can renew driver's license through Ministry of Interior Smart Channels without the need to conduct eye test. So, ibig sabihin, di mo na kailangan mag-conduct ng eye test pag mag-renew ka ng iyong driver's license. To be valid for 1 year. And in case of providing eye test, the license will be renewed for a period of 10 years. Ayun naman pala. So, kung ayaw mo magpa-conduct ng eye test, it will be for a year ang validity ng renewal ninyong driving license. Pero, kung meron kayong eye test, then it will be valid for a period of 10 years. So, it's better na magpa-eye test na lang kayo. Number 7. Which entity can provide support to people who has difficulties in paying housing, rent, and aid in general? So, this is applicable sa mga may flat at medyo nahirapan sa budget sa mga panahong to kasi nga most of us are on a no work no pay scheme, yung iba naman skeletal, so medyo tight talaga ang budget. So ang sabi dito, customer can obtain social support through Ministry of Community Development Smart Channels in accordance with the Social Security Law. Okay, so for those who have flats, then you can try also to avail with this program. Number 8. What are marriage procedures at the moment? Yeah, I know this sounds funny, but of course, sabi nga nalang, diba, love conquers all. So, even at this time, of course, syempre, if you wanna settle with someone you love, of course, you can do it anytime. Sabi nga nila, hahamakin ang lahat, masunod ka lamang. So, yun. For those who are like inquiring for marriage procedures, ito ang sabi dito. Customer can request for marriage service through Ministry of Justice Smart Channels and its courts in the Emirate of Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, and Fujairah. So, here, ang na-mention lang ay yung 4 na Emirates. So, I don't think it's possible in Dubai or in Abu Dhabi. Pero, you can also call our Philippine Embassy just to be sure because I don't know if applicable to sa mga Pilipino, pero yun ang sabi dito. Hindi naman in specific na these are for locals or for expats as well. So, ayan. Number 9. What is the status of UAE residents who are currently outside the country? How and when can they return to UAE? So question number 9, I don't think this is applicable to us kasi these are for locals. So it says customer can visit Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation website and register in Residence Tawajudi. So these are for locals kasi nga Residence Tawajudi. So they can fill up there and do the registration. So ayan, Residence Tawajudi service to request to return to the United Arab Emirates. So here it says TAWASUL, and for more information you can call the numbers that is on your screen. You can call on 171, and on WhatsApp also you can send them a message for any of your clarification. So this could help you if you wanted to ask them directly, as you can see on your screen. So once again guys, thank you so much for being with me. As what I've said a while ago, I'll just have to put the links sa mga na tackle natin on the description below. Kaya stay safe guys, stay home, and this is Mary once again saying gratefulness leads to happiness. See you next time!